School on Understanding Deep Crustal Processes is an event organized in collaboration between the two Universities of Lausanne and Padova. These are joint projects that are thought to promote collaboration and further actions between the two universities. This winter school hosts 18 early stage career students in person, and about 200 are attending online via a Zoom broadcast. And we are here for 4 days discussing about the different petrological and geological issues related to the deep Earth's crust. That is a topic of common interest for the two universities. Along with formal lectures, we have a series of practicals on microscopy and on thermodynamic modeling at the computer. The microscopy laboratory has been supported by our sponsor, which is Zeiss Microscopy, who contributed also with the technical equipment to the school.
This winter school was really timely because since last year we got funding to do a drilling project in the deep lower crust in Italy at the border to Switzerland. So it's very logical that two universities from both countries are here, and we are combining not only that the students get the education with the microscope, but also that they learn thermodynamic modeling, where our experts from the University of Bern gave lectures and made practical so that the students can use these tools immediately for their research. On a more future perspective, this school that was initiated between the University of Lausanne and Padova will foster exchange of students on both places using different analytical equipment, and will also be influential for the future success of the deep drilling project as a further scientific collaboration between Padova, the University of Bern, and University of Lausanne, together with a lot of other partners all over Europe. So it was just the right moment to launch this school.